Not every case with a smoking gun leads to a guilty verdict. I have covered more than my fair share of oh my God moments when a verdict came down that was not expected. I'm looking at you, OJ. I mean, how many smoking guns do you need in one case to convince 12 jurors that a guy is a killer? In OJ's case, there was the bloody glove that was found at the scene with both the victim's blood on it, and the match to it was found back at OJ's house, just outside his guest house where Kato Kalin heard a thud late at night. There was OJ's blood found outside Nicole Brown Simpson's house, dripping down the left-hand side of the garden path away from the bodies. And OJ had a fresh cut on his left hand. His blood was also found on the latch to Nicole's gate. There was blood in OJ's SUV, both the victim's and his own, and there was a bloody sock found in OJ's bedroom. But apparently, that wasn't enough for a guilty verdict. It was only enough for a civil judgment against him, which OJ never paid, and then he died. And how about Casey Anthony, accused of killing her little girl Kaylee in 2008? The trunk of Casey's car had a dead body smell in it weeks after Kaylee went missing, a toddler that Casey didn't even report missing. Police found a strand of Kaylee's hair in Casey's trunk, and there was evidence of decomposition on that strand. Casey lied about everything under the sun, from where she worked to where she said she dropped Kaylee off with a non-existent babysitter. Kaylee's body was discovered just blocks from the family home, decomposing in a swamp, wrapped in all sorts of things that came from Casey's family home. But the jury just couldn't bring themselves to convict her of a death penalty murder, and she is free today. And who could forget Beretta? Robert Blake, long past his prime as a successful TV star, Blake was charged with shooting his wife, Bonnie Lee Bakley. There was gunshot residue on his hands. There was testimony he tried to hire others to kill her. The murder weapon was found near the scene, but it couldn't be tied directly to Robert Blake. And as for that gunshot residue, his lawyer said it came from another gun that Blake carried with him at all times. Not guilty. And you got to go back a few years to know the Sonny von Bülow case. She was a wealthy aristocrat married to a man named Klaus von Bülow, and they lived in a mansion in Newport, Rhode Island. But in 1980, Sonny was found unconscious in her bed with a severe brain injury. It was thought that Klaus had overdosed her with insulin after police found a syringe with traces of the drug inside. Was it a smoking gun, though? Klaus was convicted of the crime, but he beat the rap on appeal, and he lived until he was 92, dying in 2019 in London. Sonny lived in a vegetative state for 28 years before finally dying in 1980 in a New York nursing home. She was 76 years old.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.